Life ain't easy being a punk rock star. I'm mobbed by fans wherever I are. I cruise around in my limousine. I'm screwing dikes that are crisp and clean. Life ain't easy when you're slamming dope. My whole band is smoking coke. I'm all fucked up in my limousine. I get 10 grand for every song I sing. When I get busted and it's off to rehab, the fans are right and say I'm rad. Bigoted nurses think me dope in their purses. The whole thing ain't half bad. Life ain't easy being a punk rock star. The more booze I drink, the more I'm a star. Groupies ain't got nothing to lose. I'm shooting porn in my limousine. My supermodel girlfriend thinks I'm obscene. They steal their parents' cars and come to the shows. I'm all strung out and it shows. I'll keep on rocking till I get old. I'm worth 10 times my own weight in gold. Life ain't easy being a punk rock star. The more dope I smoke, the more I'm a star.